yung ba kasi diba natalo sa mga pagkatalo yung first round, yung ba yung motivation nyo para makabawi kayo sa kanila?
Actually, hindi naman. Actually, yung natalo kami talagang kasalanan namin kasi nakakalimutan ng tao, tatlong magdadala ng bola sa akin, wala na at that point. Kaya talagang hindi namin ma-impound na magbaba ng bola. Yung mga iba na nakakatanggap ng bola, natataranta. Medyo we work on that. All our practices, lagi kami we spend sometimes na doon kami wino-workout namin press break. Kaya kanina wala silang naagaw sa amin sa press nila eh. Wala silang naagaw sa amin.
So, na-figure out yung press nila?
Yeah, they don't press that hard like Letran or like Lyceum. Pero I think na-workout namin. Saka ngayon, dapat din sila. Quick inbound na kasi kami, walang do not wait na magpo-forma pa tayo. Pag na-shoot nila, alam natin, press sila, quick inbound tayo, takbo tayo. Nag-effective mo.
Yes. May tanong ako, you don't have to answer it kung ayaw nyo. Napansin lang namin for the resentment of the force. Nagpipigil kayo kanina.
Yeah, kasi hindi lang ako nakapagpigil doon kay tinawagan ng mga si O'Reilly. Parang sipunta doon sa foul line. Hindi naman walang effect eh. Siyempre, gumanaw lang na nanawakan. Walang effect na nangyari doon sa sana meron natulak o nawala siya sa posisyon. Saka parang yung meron sinasabing sila na term doon eh, pag pupunta kasi sa lugar at pinigilan, hindi naman napigilan eh, na ganun lang eh. Parang lumalabas tuloy na, parang pinupuntirya mo yung malaki ko, di ba? Alam mo kasi pag nawala yung malaki ko, medyo dihado na talaga ako, di ba? Kaya even though nag-fourth foul siya, pero I still have to hang on that. I told him you have to stay, do not try to block their shots anymore, just stay there, just bother them, no, don't take it before. Because I said you're very important game. Kasi pag nawala talaga yung malaki ko, alam naman natin sa basketball na pag nawala yung malaki ko, yun, wala na, mahihirapan ako. And nobody is going to get the rebound for us. Actually, that's why I think we're winning game because of O'Reilly. He's very masipag, di ba, to get their offensive rebound, their defensive rebound. Kaya nagdo-double figure din siya, di ba? Kaya because of that, I think that's the susi. But I should not be saying this, but yung mga marunong ka na, you can figure it out.
Coach, those biggest kasi nakatatlong shoot na panalo kayo. Talagang, are you picking at the right time, Coach?
I think so. Medyo, basta na, I still, in our practices, I still go all out. Kahit na may game mo, lang game, lagi ang intensity ng practice, tuloy-tuloy. Kasi, hindi ako naniniwala dun sa may laro bukas, ganito, pahinga tayo, hindi ako naniniwala dun. Day in, day out, this is what we're doing now, di ba? We play basketball. Pero dapat yan, ang sinasabi ko, pag kami game, o 2 days before the game, habaan natin yung rest. Wala na tayong good time. Dahil we're in the middle of the season. Sinasabi ko, after the season, now we can have good times.
And Coach, wala kayong masyado pahinga kasi this Thursday na yung laban nyo against San Sebastian.
Thursday ba? Hindi
Friday na. Next game nyo against San Sebastian.
San Sebastian? No, LPU. We beat San Sebastian the other Thursday. LPU. Tinalo lang naman, nanalo kami doon eh, di ba? Saka nakahabol lang sila dahil pinahabol lang rin. Hindi, kasi naagawan kami ng naagawan eh.
Close game.
Pero I think we were able to solve that problem.
Coach, CCJ Isil, paano mag-grade CCJ?
He's just getting his rhythm. Medyo kinakalawang pa. Pero you can see that he's trying, di ba? And he has some calculation or decision, di ba? Medyo yung timing wala pa. And still, Josan today, he's not that main factor. Kasi he is still, parang sabi niya, nagta-tighten yung hamstring niya. Then alam mo, the last play na time out ko, I tried to use him para to attract the other, di ba? Ganun lang, hindi naka-score, ganun. Pero pagdating sa defense, I had to pull him out again. Kasi, di ba, he cannot play good defense eh.
Coach, bumalik na si Jason, bumalik na si Jay, si Stevens, wala na ba? Wala na.